Hi guys, Minglaba. Welcome to my channel. My name is Julia. I'm a Burmese living here in Finland for the past 2.5 years. Today I decided to make a video where I teach you the basic Burmese words and phrases. So if you're trying to learn Burmese for the first time, or if you're a Burmese language beginner, welcome to my very first Burmese language video. I would consider greeting someone in their own language as a very basic thing to know when you're learning a new language. So in today's video, I'm just gonna focus on greeting in Burmese language. Okay, let's get going. The first thing you need to know when learning Burmese is Mingalaba. 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 It means hello. So you can use this phrase Mingalaba as a greeting when you meet the person for the first time in your life, or you can meet the person 150th time in your life. Doesn't matter what time of the day it is, you can always use the phrase Mingalaba, which means hello. And I guess it's also quite normal that after you said hello, you want to know how the other person is feeling. So you would just straight ahead and ask, how are you? It would be Ne Kaung Lar, Ne Kaung Lar, Ne Kaung Lar. So that's the question, how are you? If you're like me, I would just answer Ne Kaung De, which means I'm good. Ne Kaung De, I'm good. Ne Kaung De, I'm good. If you listen these two phrases, how are you? I'm good. Ne Kaung Lar, Ne Kaung De. So they are actually the same phrases. Ne Kaung Lar, Ne Kaung De. So La is used at the end of Ne Kaung to make it as a question. So when you want to make a question, then you just add the word La. That's why it's Ne Kaung La. And then now I'm gonna answer you. Ne Kaung De. Ne Kaung De. So Ne Kaung, then you add the word De. So it means I'm fine. Ne Kaung De. Ne Kaung De. So that's the answer to everything when you add the word De. This is a book, which is Sar Oat. And you just want to ask a question whether this is a book. Is it a book? It would be Sar Oat La. Sar Oat La. Sar Oat La. So well, maybe then it doesn't work with Sar Oat because, well, for Sar Oat, if someone is asking you, Sar Oat La, Sar Oat, Sar Oat. So that's how you answer back. If someone asks you whether it's a book and it is a book, then the response should be Hote Sar Oat, Hote Sar Oat, Hote Sar Oat. And if it is not a book, then just mention Hote Boo, Hote Boo, Hote Boo, which means no. I hope this helped a little bit. So if you just want to make a positive opinion about something, you can use this phrase Kaung De. So if I just want to mention that coffee is good, I would use coffee Kaung De. And if I want to state a positive opinion about the view, like, oh, view is good, it would be view Kaung De, view Kaung De, view Kaung De. And well, if you're reading a book and you think that's a good book, then you would say Sar Oat Kaung De, Sar Oat Kaung De, Sar Oat Kaung De. Yeah, you can use this phrase Kaung De whenever you want to make a comment about something being good. Well, the last phrase for today would be nice to meet you, which is တွေ့ရတာဝမ်းသာပါတယ် 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 Nice to meet you. တွေ့ရတာဝမ်းသာပါတယ် So now I'm gonna repeat the phrases that we've learned today. Mingalaba, Ne Kaung Lar, Ne Kaung De. Coffee La, coffee. Sar Oat La, Sar Oat. Kaung Lar, Kaung De. Coffee Kaung De. Sar Oat Kaung De. View Kaung De. And the last one, တွေ့ရတာဝမ်းသာပါတယ် So this is where I'm gonna end the Burmese lesson for today. Don't forget to subscribe because I'm going to be making more Burmese language video in the future, and leave a comment down below if you have other scenarios that you want to know more about. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'm gonna see you guys in my next video. Bye.